Christie, newly appointed sporting director at Mount Pleasant. Falcon FC really pushed this Mount Pleasant team to the edge, but you end up with the victory 2-1. Tell us about the game.
Well, as you can see, it's a newly assembled team. It will take some time to get the cohesion and the chemistry together. We would have passed about 65% of the possession. However, we were unfortunate in front of goal, and the Falkland team gave as much as they could have got, and it was a real competitive one based on the fact that we weren't finishing. However, the coaching staff would have made a few adjustments in the game, and we ended up getting the goals, and that is always good.
What about your relationship with the coaches, the management staff, and as you're newly in the Mount Pleasant family? Tell us about that.
Well, Mr. Whitmore has been my friend from about maybe 10 years now, and that's always been, still that has not changed. I'm very good with Mr. Ferguson and the rest of the coaching staff. We have a nice cohesive unit at the management and technical level. The people of St. Anne has welcomed with open arms, and we are just working. We are trying to improve, trying to get better, and we're just trying to play football the right way, and we should be okay at the end of the day.
Well done, Sir Paul. Continue to do good work, and I hope your team with success.
All right.